Sprinkles are key to life.
Yeah, put sprinkles on everything.
Yeah. What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe, and it's not just one recipe today, it's 3 recipes.
It's 3, but also in a way 5. Because like one
that's
of them,
true.
Yeah, because one of them is like layered and has multiple components. That could be 3 separate recipes.
Wow. Okay, so what are they?
So we did chia pudding, inspired by our conversation about how chia pudding is underrated and overnight oats is overrated. So I decided we needed more chia pudding on our blog. So I did 3 different chia puddings, but actually 5 different. So we have a Neapolitan one, like a Neapolitan ice cream, which is 3 different flavors, so 3 different chia puddings. We did a Chai Latte chia pudding, and then we did a birthday cake chia pudding.
So fun.
Yeah, I think it's a good mix of things. And like,
me too.
The chocolate layer in the Neapolitan is so good on its own too. Oh my goodness.
Okay, I didn't try that layer, but I'm kind of obsessed with the strawberry layer.
Yeah, no, it's so simple, but it changes it so much, the strawberry.
Yeah.
But you guys should know what we're talking about, so we should probably get into the recipe.
Yes, let's go make it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss future recipes, but let's go make this chia pudding.
Chia, 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 chia. First, we're going to start off with our Neapolitan chia pudding. There are 3 different layers, just like Neapolitan ice cream. So to make the vanilla layer, you're going to mix some chia seeds with a little bit of non-dairy milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and a pinch of salt in a mason jar, and just kind of shake that up and place it in the fridge to set. You want to check on it every 5 or so minutes for the first little bit, just to make sure the chia seeds aren't sinking to the bottom of the jar. So you just want to shake that up, give it a stir for the first like 20 minutes or so, every 5 or so minutes, just so you can make sure you get a really nice, smooth consistency. And then you're going to let that sit in the fridge for about 45 to 60 minutes. Next up, to make your chocolate layer, you're going to mix together some chia seeds, cacao powder, non-dairy milk, maple syrup, and a little bit of salt. Mix that all together and do the same thing we did with the vanilla layer. Pop it in the fridge, check on it every 5 or so minutes and give it a shake or a stir, and then set it in there to the fridge for about 45 to 60 minutes to set. And finally, to make your strawberry chia pudding layer, to a blender or a food processor, you're going to add some non-dairy milk and a couple strawberries and blend it until it's nice and smooth. If you want it even more strawberry-y, you could add a couple more strawberries if you want. You're going to add your strawberry milk to some chia seeds and maple syrup and salt, and just mix that until it's all combined. And then just like the other layers, we're going to pop that in the fridge to set. Don't forget to check it every 5 or so minutes to give it a stir to make sure there isn't any chia seeds sinking to the bottom. Once the chia puddings have thickened, you're going to layer each flavor into a jar, making the Neapolitan pattern. Next up, to make birthday cake chia pudding, we're first going to combine some chia seeds with some non-dairy milk, vanilla extract, almond extract, maple syrup, and a pinch of salt, and you're just going to stir that all around. Now this part is optional. If you want to, you can add a little bit of sprinkles to it. The sprinkles will start to like lose their color and melt a little bit, but it's okay. You kind of just want the flavor of the sprinkles in there anyways. But this is up to you. You don't have to add them in if you don't want to. Then just like the other chia puddings, we're gonna place that in the fridge to set, checking it every few minutes just to make sure the chia seeds aren't settling to the bottom, and then let it set for about 45 to 60 minutes. When you're ready to eat it, you top it with some sprinkles and enjoy. And finally, to make your Chai Latte chia pudding, we're first going to start off by gently heating some non-dairy milk. I did it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. We don't need it piping hot, we just need it kind of warm. You're going to add some chai tea bags to your warmed milk and allow that to steep for 30 minutes to an hour, or until the milk comes back to a chilled temperature. You want to get as much chai flavor into there as possible. Once your tea has steeped, you're just going to squeeze the tea bags out, pull them out of the milk, and combine your chai milk with some chia seeds, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and stir that until it's all combined. Then once again, we are going to set it in the fridge, checking it every few minutes to make sure the chia seeds haven't settled to the bottom. And you're gonna let that sit for about 45 to 60 minutes. When you're ready to serve, you're gonna top with some whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg, and a cinnamon stick.
Okay,
Yeah.
how do we decide what order to eat these in?
You decide. I don't care.
Oh, okay, let's do chai first.
Okay. Chai latte.
I didn't get whipped cream for mine. Ugh,
7.
so boring.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so cozy.
I do like the idea of using teas to infuse the milk with flavors. Like, I never thought of that.
It's kind of like cereal milk.
Yes.
Just using something to infuse milk with flavors. You know what actually would be really good that I just thought of? Soaking donuts in milk so that the milk gets like a donut-y flavor, and then doing donut chia pudding.
Yes.
I think it would be so good. It is so good. I really like this. I would eat this in the morning, like in a heartbeat. What's next, Deb?
I feel like we should do the birthday cake next.
Okay. Birthday cake. I wasn't sure how
gotta mix
birthday-y
up.
I was going to be able to get it to taste, but I think it actually tastes really birthday-y.
I'm just excited that there's sprinkles here, honestly.
It tastes so much like I would eat. This would be such a good dessert. It would be so good.
Mm-hmm. Imagine you put like some cake crumbs on top instead of a granola.
Yeah.
Hello?
It'd be amazing. It's all in the almond extract. The almond extract is key.
Mm-hmm. And the sprinkles.
Yeah.
Sprinkles are key to life.
Yeah. Put sprinkles on everything.
Yeah.
All right, Neapolitan. This is the only one I actually haven't tried. I've tried each flavor separately, but I haven't tried it together yet. So I have to see if I can even get everything in one scoop.
Same.
Oh, I think I got it. Yeah.
I think I got it.
Now the chocolate is like super powerful, so it takes over a lot, but that's kind of Neapolitan ice cream.
That's true.
The chocolate one to me tastes like a brownie batter. Like, it is so good. Or even just like melted chocolate ice cream.
To me, the strawberry layer is just so genius. The fact that you just blend some strawberries with milk and then you've got this delicious flavor.
Strawberry milk, man. Could do that with any fruit.
I know, this is like opening up my mind to like all these other possibilities.
Should I do cranberry milk?
Sure.
So Devin, which is your favorite?
I really I think I'm leaning towards the Neapolitan.
Yeah, the Neapolitan's really good. I think I like the chai the best. It's just so cozy. But like, I do love the Neapolitan so much.
I think it might be the strawberry layer that's winning me over.
How many strawberries did you end up using? I'm just curious.
3.
Yeah, I used 3 too. You know what
So
I kind
good.
of want to try making? Like a pina colada chia pudding.
Oh.
Delicious. There's so many options. Chia pudding is like an open book. You can do anything.
Right? I feel like in the comments people should share other chia pudding recipe ideas that they've come across or flavor ideas that they've thought of based on what we've just said.
Yeah. And which one of these are you going to try first? Because
Yes.
And also like break apart the Neapolitan if you don't want it all in one, but like what I would recommend is making like all 3 of the flavors, having them in your fridge and deciding day by day. Sometimes you want all 3, sometimes you maybe just want 1. Delicious. Meal prep. We just meal prepped things.
I mean, chia pudding is a great thing to meal prep. I do that.
Yeah, it 100% is, because chia pudding tastes the same on day 1 that it does on like day 5.
All of these recipes will be in the description box below. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, keep you up to date on some trending news in the vegan world. So go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us, we really appreciate it. But if not, that is okay. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share it, because that also helps us grow, and we really appreciate it. And someone might appreciate you sharing these recipes with them. So
That's it.
yeah.
That's it. Bye.
That's all. That's it.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.